Okay, let me just check if the sound is coming. Okay, the sound is coming. Yeah. So, yeah, today is 10th of October and let's start. So, just give me 1 second. So, yeah. Hello. Let me check. Everything is fine? Right. So, okay, today is 10th of October and the first thing is that there is a very warning message today in this video. So let's first go to that. So the thing is that if you go to the end of the day data analysis, then you'll see that futures long positions are closing. Almost the same, not even I can say closing, they are almost the same, but futures short positions heavily built up. Okay, and just check this, that is this option index, put shorts, put shorts are also building up, call shorts are also building up, and almost they are the same amount, but yeah, the call shorts are a little heavier. So all we can say is that upside will be limited, yes, because future shorts heavily done, call shorts heavily done. Okay, now the question is this put shorts. Okay, so market is like bouncing back every time, and also put shorts are being done, but here you'll see that put longs are also being done. Now you can say that yes, these are for hedgings, but let me show you. Check the check the call shorts amount, okay, and check the amount of call buying which has been done to hedge them. Okay, now you can very well understand that the put short quantity is much lesser than the call shorts quantity, but you see the put buying quantity, and you can very well see that put buying has been done. So now you will think that okay, put shorts and put buying both has been done, right? So like which way to go? Will it follow the put short positions, or will the FII save their put short positions, or will they save their put buying positions? Yes, of course, in the put buying positions there are positions which are for hedging for these put shorts, but one thing you should ask that yes, for these put short positions, the extra put buying positions, will they go into loss, or will the put short positions be will be saved? Okay, and one more thing, if you notice also that here if you come to the PropDex data, in the put short positions, so you'll see that they have also hugely shorted puts and the PropDex. Okay, they have also done call shorts, but they today the data is showing that today itself they have done a lot of these put shorts. Okay, and if you see even the PropDex data, put shorts and call shorts, and the FI's data, so almost the same. Okay, so why is that? Okay, just a little bit more in the call short. So why is that? So you should understand this very well, that when in which option chain what is happening. Okay, that is very important. So the thing is, let me show you. Okay, yeah, so I'll just address that question. So okay, so let's go to the option chain. So this is the current expiry of Nifty. Okay, so the 13th October, and you can very well see that these put shorts have been done. Okay, but if you go into the monthly option chain, 27th October, look at 17,000. Look at 17,000. You'll see that change in OI is huge here. Okay, and also if you look at 17,100 and also 17,200, so these are the positions where these put buyings are being done. Okay, so you see that the bearish positions, okay, the bearish positions are all the future short positions, the put buying positions, the bearish positions are being made in the monthly, keeping a view in the monthly wise. Okay, so that's the thing. So monthly wise it's bearish, but not even monthly. I think this won't sustain even a week. I'll explain everything. Okay, so overall the bearish positions are being made in the monthly wise, and the temporary bullish positions are being made in the current expiry. Okay, so for the current expiry, please be very careful. And yes, now let's come to why it won't sustain even a week. So current expiry, anything can happen. It can just temporarily go up and then again further come down. Why? Let me just explain. So let's go to Nifty. Yeah, this is Nifty. So for Nifty, the futures short positions, the majority of the short positions, as we have discussed earlier, so they were made at 17,550 or 17,500. Okay, and after that, like here, one day, so this is the region 17,622 to 17,500. This was the region where majority of the future short positions were built up. Okay, so after this you saw that there was a very huge fall in the index, and now today here at 17,000, like you can suppose 17,000, let's take the peak itself. So 17,277. So let's take 17,250. So at around 17,250, a huge future shorts have been built up. So now if you think that yes, here so 17,550 to 17,250. So here all the future shorts are, one huge lot was made there, and today a huge lot has been added in this region. Okay, so as you can see that today from 126,568 it went to 140,690. Okay, so yes, it's a huge quantity. And also if you notice that the extra put buying, okay, so here the extra put buying quantity, so this was the put buying quantity yesterday and this is the put buying quantity today. Okay, so this extra put buying quantity is almost exactly matching with the OI change at these levels in the monthly option chain. If you just add up, so 17,100, 17,200 and 17,000 OI change, if you look at today, so it's almost adding up. Yeah, some extra there because some more people also added up, but almost the same, the OI change. Okay, so here they have done the put buying. Okay, so in the monthly option chain they have done the put buying, future shorts, and so but in the current temporary week they have done put short. So please be careful, market will be volatile. And so according to this, let's analyze that till where market can, if this up move is sustaining, then till where can market go. So the next level is 17,389 or 17,400. So I am expecting it around, at least, if market goes up, so 17,389 or 400, and from there resistance should come in Nifty. And also in BankNifty the next level is 39,350. We should watch for it. You see that even yesterday I told this level, and near to this level Bank Nifty reversed. Okay, so if this level is broken, then 40,000 would be the next level. But let's see if this level is broken, and yes, if it goes down, then 38,300 would be the support, the next support. Okay, and in Nifty, if it goes up, I think at max it can go till 17,400, or my level is at 17,389. You see, my level works very well. You see, even this day it went up, but finally it came down, and it did end below that level. So even today, 17,228, you see it just ended there. So these are the very important levels, and then below level would be at 17,000 and 16,821. So these are the messages. Even if you go and check yesterday's video, then also you will find that I just told two things, okay, that can happen today. I told you just to watch for two things. What were the two things? That is, either more call shots would there would be a gap down, everyone knew, from XGX Nifty. After the gap down, I told that because they did not make much short positions on the option chain, so they would take the market up and they would try to make short positions and then take it down. Okay, so it's like they also miss the it's like they are also missing the gap down, so without making huge positions. Okay, so that's the thing. So I told you that, or either it could have happened that starting again, huge call shots would appear and market would further go down. So out of these two things, yes, the one thing happened, that put shots happened and market went up, and then you can very well see that they are taking market up and they are shorting market. They're shorting in the futures, calls, as well as they're doing put buying. Okay, so out of all these three data, futures, options, you see futures short, options, you have put buying, and then you have call shorts as well. So only one data is bullish, that is the put short. So you just have to notice when they are closing these put shorts in the current expiry. So if you don't want to participate, if there is an up move, if you don't want to participate, don't participate. Or either you can do one thing, if there is an up move, just go and where they have done put buying in the monthly option chain, suppose at the 17,100 or 17,200. Okay, so you can just make this put buying and just relax. Okay, so they will take care of it. And yes, so now I think tomorrow's plan is that we will have to watch for what new positions are getting built up. First, some up move might come to make everyone bullish, and when everyone will be bullish, finally the down move will come. So we have to wait for that opportunity. So again, it depends on what new positions are being made at the very first hour tomorrow. So let's see. And yes, definitely they would try to first prop decks and FIIs would try to save their put short positions and then take the market down. So that's the update for today. And yes, there is one member of mine who is asking that when can we take and when can we exit according to the indicators. So even like if you see that today here, 10th October, yes, so yeah, you may go long in Bank Nifty and then close quickly. At 9:35 I gave this call, and then there was a huge increase in Bank Nifty. Okay, so if you just go and check in 1 minute candle, so I just gave this thing. So in 1 minute candle you can you'll very well be able to see. So this was the 9:35 candle, and after that you can see that the premiums increased in huge quantity. And so that was the very first call. And why did I give that call? You can very well see here that Bank Nifty, the score suddenly jumped from 26 to 47 at 9:33. At 9:35 I was giving that call, but the signal came at 9:33 itself, and after that there was a sudden sharp increase. But again, Bank Nifty score told that at 9:35 that again after this increase it would again decrease, and that's what happened. Okay, so this is a very fine indicator, which is, I mean, it very well predicts the indexes. Okay, and after that again from here 20 to 37 and so on, and then it was like the market was almost I mean deciding which way to go. So this is Bank Nifty, and here, so from 10 to 10:15 the reversal came, and yes, but the preparation was I mean started from the morning itself. And here again you see that here also when from 20 to 37 again it went. So here, I mean, the long positions were getting added up. Okay, and finally you see that the score jumped from 29 to 44 at 10:32, or from here also 11, 19, 29, 44. You can gradually see that the scores are like indicating strength, and you can easily go for it. Okay, so 10:32. So you can see let's where is Bank Nifty? Yeah, so this is Bank Nifty. So this is the 10:15 candle. Okay, and so after this there was a red candle here at 10:30, and during this time the scores were started increasing. Okay, and after that you can very well see that there was a smooth, nice up move, right? So yes, even I mean, you just want to take a small move out of it. So whenever this type of signal comes, like 19, 29, 44, so just take the or even here, like when there is a sudden jump 26 to 47, just take the position and just exit as you get your profits. Okay, because this is going to be a choppy market, so anything can happen anytime, but that's why you just take your profit and get out. Okay, and then also if you notice here that in Bank Nifty, let's see here, there was some other there were some other things, like there were some other signals also, like from 10 it decreased to -3. Okay, so a small fall came here at around 13:53. Even I notified that on to my members, but the thing was here, from 0 to 16 also, here from 4 to 17 there was a sudden jump. So 15:03. So 15:03, if you look at Bank Nifty, 15:03. So Bank Nifty first did not get first it was going down, and it was like almost flat. Okay, so you can see this down move here. So first it went down. So if you go to the 5 minutes chart, you can very well see. So this is so this is 15:15. So this is 4:45. Yeah, you can very well see here. So 15 so 3 p.m. to 3:05 p.m. this was the candle. Okay, and after that this move came, but we got the signal here at 15:03. Okay, so 3 p.m. we got that signal. From 14 to 17 it jumped. So you can take these moves, and you can just being an option buyer, you can just take the advantage of these moves. This was a very nice move. Okay, a huge premium you can eat. You can get there as an option buyer, and as an option seller also, when you can see that here the strengths are gaining, and so you can just until unless the strengths are fading out, you can just keep your put short positions, and also similarly if you are seeing weakness, you can keep your call short positions and so on. Okay, yeah, but for Nifty, you see that the main confusion today was for Bank Nifty and Nifty today. So Nifty was not showing strength, yes, because call shorts were done at 17,100, and then first Nifty was taken down, and then the finally up move came, and here, so finally here Bank Nifty and Nifty both gained strength, and yes, so that was the major thing. So today, even like if you see, so red one is the score and blue one is the index. Okay, so if you can see very well that here the scores started increasing, you can see this slope very well, and so the index also started increasing from that point. Okay, and then you can see here the scores started decreasing, though the indicator though the index started tried to increase, but finally it moved down. Okay, so it's a very nice it nicely predicts the index. So here also you can see that this up move in the score and the up move in the index also Nifty, and also here the down move was predicted by the indicator, and these data are daily updated on the Google Drive. So on Twitter post you can very well see that. So this is the drive link, so you can go and check the data and also match it with the index current value at that point. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. So please be careful if you have any queries. So I think I have answered your question. Like when you just have to keep a very tight watch on these indicators, and I think you have both these indicators, so just keep tight watch on these indicators. Whenever such a signal comes in whichever indicator, you just go for it, and then you get, at least you get 5 to 10% easily. Okay, so whenever you get 5%, just lock it up. And yes, what do I mean by lock it up is like if after that your profits are gaining up, okay, so then also if there is some decrease in that, then just close it up. Okay, so don't try to wipe out your profits. And yes, there will be opportunities every time, every single day. So don't try to take 20-50%. If it comes suddenly, yes, it's well and good, but if it doesn't come, then don't try to take it forcefully. It might wipe out your profit. So as you can see very well that whenever these signal comes, so the move also accordingly comes in the indexes. So just try to stick to that, and I think in the long term, you will be in huge profits, as we have been doing in the past few days. And these days will be a little choppy, anything can happen, so please be careful. So the thing is that only thing you can do is you can analyze everything and take position carefully. So the overall data is bearish, so be very, very careful. And if you have any questions, so please do ask, or otherwise I'll end it here. So data is bearish, I mean that monthly wise it's bearish. First of all, they might try to save their put short positions, prop decks as well as FIIs. So please be careful about that. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so then I'll end it here. Okay, bye. Good night. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely.